Kani kadeka Patisi TV. Hakamit juga khat santri unok pra kawai ka khna kan thai kala poi ban panji rap na ki pulet kalaban police station hakaba kala kno ba kawai ka tra yeng ka tep kerteng kum ka mamuni Pravin klelam ban ya ka sha kawai ka guest house ka tep kum ka Marvelenes in Haril Pong Point ka long trai do khon jong umintri kampo yeng ka jela uba HDR ring do ban le iki kam Khaïi kani ka khna kan thai kala lach phet na ka jaka but hadin ka Jingtohkit da ka child welfare committee haka khat khandai trek unok pra klaya thu bakala jusha elam shakeleng gi jaka banle gi kam Khaïi but nakaliang State Commission of Protection of Child Rights kala ujor do Southly ki jahar Shakhmat USP jong ka is ka sihel suba Maria Home Kharkrang but katkum ka chi thu ka te ka khna ka blai thu ba ka dei na kasnong ichamati shela kamamuni Pravin kala sha kemno ringkat usha deb barman unong tre ka Marvelenes in haka khat re trek unok pra bat saar ngut ki wei pat ki kan thai ki tep kerteng kum ka Tarisha Mary Kharbudan bat ka Mona Lisa Shangpliang kila sha kem hakini ki sngi bladem haka bai dei bat ni ka kam Khaïi bat pin Khaïi kan thai bat khana red
पिछाल आधा 300 साल तो इतना साल से आप ये सब कर रहे हैं नहीं फिर आप कैसे पकड़ा है तो जो इसको फोन किया था दीदी को दीदी बोला हम जाएगा नहीं मेरे पास नंबर नहीं है तो आपको पता नहीं ये गलत हो रहा है ये आपको पता था कि ये गलत हो रहा है जब किसी को लड़के लेके आएगा पैसा लेंगे गलत हो रहा है पता था ना आपको सिर्फ कम पे को भी इतने कम भी इतने कंपनी है इतने सब गाँव बाहर गया आगे चला रहा नाम क्या है क्या आपको कितना पैसा मिला इसका खले
กัดกุมกับเวนับเด้งกิจิงอุจอร์กับกระเตงจง MLA กับมาวตี constituency บะ Julius ดอร์พังกลาวันมีป่าวหากบากระเตกขณะกลายทุบลายลำยากาหาอูหาดูอาร์เซียนหาลมสอ guest house กับบัดหามตินากาเห็นไรนักเลี้ยงอุตย MLA หลักกันตัดบัดองบ่อมดนจิงเต็มฮัลลอร์กระเตกขณะบัดกระเดตังกับบุตรเป็นทอบริยาอูหากกรรมสันประเทศจงอู
We have brought her today for her medical examination and medical as well as for other completion of other formalities for her examination.
All right. And they say she's from Tripura. I mean, can you just brief us as to where exactly she?
No, actually we have as far as I don't know. Maybe actually she may be from Tripura, but she stays in Ishamati.
All right. And can you tell us something about Parveen? Yeah, she's the one who is believed to have a big hand in this matter.
Parveen actually is the woman who had brought her, who was given by her father, father of the victim, to keep as a maid servant.
Right.
But she was using her as a girl who used to for doing all this illegal activities. It has been known from the victim that she was being used as a girl for sending hotels and other places to parts of the city. According to the victim, she stays in Dampering. 8 o'clock in the morning, she was taken from the hotel by the accused lady.
Accused lady. This is Usha Deparma?
No, not Usha Deparma. Parveen. Yeah. Once she brought her to the home, once she was brought back to the home, after she being brought back to the home, I think the Parveen had gone somewhere outside the home. That time she managed to run. Someone, according to her, someone gave her some money. After money was given to her, then she got down there in Laban Street. From there, two women then she started shouting that please help me. Two women were there and they took her to Laban Street.